Hey everyone, it's Jerry from the Crypto Diet coming with my second YouTube video. So we're doing it, guys. We're doing our second video ever. So if you can help me out, hit the like and subscribe button. Help me get to 1,000 videos. I don't make any money from any of these videos. This is just my goodwill to you guys to help you find some good cryptocurrencies and spread the love, spread the joy and the passion for cryptocurrencies. So help me out, I help you out. It's a win-win, and let's make each other's dreams come true. So I've got 5 cryptocurrencies for you today, and I really think that these ones have probably the most potential going into the bull run. We've kind of went sideways for a few days here, so this is a good time to start looking about what you want to buy, if you have some spare cash lying around, if you have some good profits, and you're thinking about selling soon. These are 5 cryptocurrencies that I would keep an eye on. So the first one is actually Arweave. So you can see here, Arweave has just been on an absolute tear. I mean, 21st of July was when we started to really turn things around. And this is what you really want to look for in cryptocurrencies is you have a massive pump of about 850%. And you can see that it had a lot of accumulation before we went back up again. So what that tells me is that this coin is sustaining. We've jumped up, we've had a little bit of accumulation, we're getting ready for another run as well. And I've seen a lot of good coins do this, like the Solanas, the Phantoms, where they push up, they accumulate a bit, and then they get ready for another leg up. The reason why Arweave is actually such a good coin is that it's actually not that high up on the market cap on CoinGecko. It's actually ranked number 57 with a market cap of not even 4 billion. And if you think about what Arweave is, which is this permanent decentralized data storage. We know how much companies love data. They love your data. They love to use it. It's actually very powerful to businesses with data. So you can put like a journalistic article on there. You can put your NFTs on there. You name it, you can put it. And it's just a one time. You pay for it once, and it's stored on the blockchain forever. It is completely undervalued, and even though it's $72 and even though you've had this massive growth, you really want to look at the ranking and the market cap. This coin has a lot of potential in it, and it's almost has a monopoly on the market in terms of what it is doing for the price. When it comes to decentralized, people are going to need a place to store their information on. And Arweave is going to be the go-to. It's going to be like the Chainlink. It's going to be like the Ethereum. It's going to be that. It's got that first market movers advantage now, and it's going to explode. And you can see it right here on the chart. I mean, the chart says it came up, got to an incredible 850%, and then just accumulated, leg up again. This is going to really blow up. We've got a 50-day moving average. It's always respected it. It's bounced off it a few times and come back up. You can always see on our RSI as well. It would have been nice to pick them up on the 45. If you know me, you know I'm a fan of 45 on the RSI, and you would have picked some up and enjoyed some profits. This is a very, very strong coin. You can also see the performance here on the right, just incredible performance by this cryptocurrency. No, it's not too late to invest into Arweave. It's actually pulled back a bit, and you can start to see we've just broken trend here. So about there, we've just broken it, and we'll continue to go up, I think, for the next coming weeks. The next coin is actually Luna. Luna is, I mean, it's incredible. Luna is one of those cryptocurrencies, much like Arweave, that is more higher on the market cap. It's actually ranked number 12 on the market cap, but holy crap, this coin is just on another level. This also has a bit of that monopoly sort of structure where it is Terra Luna is basically a decentralized exchange where they can issue out currencies within their network. So if you want, instead of getting USDT, you'll get UST, which is the tether, ping to the dollar, and you can use those to buy other coins and actually spend it with real world money. It's incredibly powerful what this coin is. And again, like I said, look at this coin. Incredible. Came up, massive potential. Got 500% return going from July all the way to August, and look, we've just gone up. We just keep going up. It is incredible just how strong this coin is. It's very tough to buy a coin like this because these are one of those coins where you honestly could probably even buy at a pretty high price and be okay and just hold it. Now, your returns might not be as good as someone else, but this is one of those coins you can easily make a 30, 40, 50, 60, 70% return back just by doing nothing. This is how generous the cryptocurrency industry can be sometimes with its returns. If you want to wait for a dip, you can, but we are starting to approach that next leg up, so the opportunities are becoming less and less frequent. You can see here your dips, your dips, your dips, your dips, your dips, your dips. The dips have just gotten higher and higher and higher and higher. So again, even if you bought, say, on the 11th of September, I mean, again, your profits would not be much if you bought from, my markers in the way there. Your profit, even if you bought there, you would have made an easy 15%. Now, it's not much, but these are one of those coins you will hold. And a lot of talk is around the Luna ecosystem and just how primed and ready it is to just absolutely probably be in the top 5 cryptocurrencies. And for that, it will blow up. It will go over $100 easily. The next coin up is actually Render. So Render's blown up because of its absolutely incredible Solana announcement, where they basically said the metaverse is going to take place on the Solana network, and they're going to have to render the metaverse, and they're going to use render to render the metaverse. And as soon as that announcement has come, and you can just see it's absolutely gone through. Now, this is something I really look at. You can actually see the all-time high, which was in about March 21 this year. And this is something I was looking at. You can actually see my horizontal bar there because I wanted to see how clean it cut through. And you can see it just sliced right through its all-time high. When a coin just slices right through its all-time high, it's a very bullish sign. And you can see here, we came back, we absolutely sliced through it, came back, tested pretty much right on it. Okay, you can see it right there. And then we just touched it and we're off again. And this is one of those coins, again, where you can probably just buy it right now and just hold it. There's nothing wrong with, buying a really great coin at a high price and wait. That's what I did with Ethereum. I bought Ethereum in March 21 or February 21, and I bought it at its all-time high, and now I'm up over 100% on my Ethereum investment. If you buy really good fundamental coins, it doesn't really matter when you buy them, you just hold them. And Render is another coin that is very high on the market cap, actually. It's actually ranked, look at that, 193 on CoinGecko. This has a lot of potential too. This can easily get to $10, $20 with the announcement that Solana made, because what it's starting to look like in the cryptocurrency world is you've got your Ethereum, which is for your institutional big money guys, and then you've got Solana, which is more of like the independent sort of smaller people who want to make NFTs and things like that, and don't want to pay those higher gas fees. And I mean, look at this RSI, just pushing way above it. I mean, going to 92 on the RSI. So you'd be thinking there's going to be a pullback, but I mean, it's just looking absolutely incredible. So if you're going to buy Render, hold on to it. You can wait for a bit of a pullback, but when you start seeing this, it's very hard to predict when there's going to be a pullback, because we don't know. We really don't know. No one knows when this thing's going to pull back. We expect it to, but you would have expected it to hit a pullback probably around, at its all-time high, just blew right past it, kept going, kept going. We've had a bit of a pullback. Who knows how temporary that's going to be? It could be one of these ones. We don't know. So Render's one to definitely look at if you can get it. And the thing I love about Render is actually not that on that many exchanges. So you can still actually pick it up. You can pick it up from KuCoin. KuCoin's actually a very easy one to sign up to and just hold on to it. And I can't imagine how much money you'll make from Render. It'd be absolutely incredible. That's coin number 3. Then the next coin we actually have is a meme coin, which is actually Elon, or Dogelon as it's called. The ticker code is Elon. Now, I feel like we should all have at least one meme coin in our portfolio, even though these things don't really abide by fundamentals or sometimes even TAs, but this is something else you look for, right? Blew up from October, came back. Look at this massive, massive bar going from there. Look at that, 332% just in about, so 28th of October to basically the end of October, and it just absolutely went crazy. But you can see, look, we had a bit of a pump, a little bit of a dump, but we're accumulating again. Now you're starting to notice a pattern here with these charts. Once we have a big pull up, we don't want to see it come breaking down to, one of these levels where we start going back here and here and here and, start doing that. We don't want that. We want to see a nice, good formation, which we're starting to see here. We're starting to see a pullback on the RSI as well, going to about 45 on it. And this is one of those coins that, again, you're probably going to be okay. On the fib retracement tool, it's tough to retrace these things, but you can see, again, holding above its 50% like that. And you can see it's finding support above it. Put a couple $1,000s on this, a couple $100s on it. Shouldn't be a big part of your portfolio, but this is one of those coins that has massive growth. You can see here on the coin market cap, it is actually ranked 137. So again, has massive potential returns. I wouldn't pick these over, say, Render or Luna or Arweave, but this is one of those coins you just say, look, it's just a bit of play money. It's just a bit of, you know, I'm going to call it what it is. It's just gambling. But the way I look at meme coins is you have Dogecoin in the top 10. You've got SHIB in the top 10. There's probably room for more meme coins to at least come in the top 20, top 30. And when you've got something like Elon, which is rank 137, you've got a big part for it to come through. The next coin up is actually Elluvium, as it's called. Actually, I have to look this one out. This one is probably the most exciting one because this just looks absolutely incredible. The game itself. I mean, look at this game. This is sort of like a Pokemon sort of game where you've got your Elluviums, and basically these are real NFTs that you actually go out there and they battle each other, and you can upgrade them. And I mean, this just looks like the first real AAA NFT game. It is actually pretty expensive for one Elluvium, so you can see it's $1,159 US for it. But look at this chart, guys. This is just a clean uptrend, about as clean as they come. Just goes up and up. And look, you have a bit of a bull flag probably happening here, but it is looking absolutely incredible. This is what you're looking for, guys. You can see on the RSI, look at it. It goes up, and you start to see the really, really good coins. They love to stay between 65 and 70 on the RSI. They don't come down often. So if you want to keep your eye on this one, you can. The game's actually going to come out, I think it was March in 2022, with the beta coming out a couple months earlier. They haven't set a hard date yet, but you can register for it. And I mean, this just looks absolutely incredible for it. So those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins for you to keep an eye on in this bull market. Low, good market cap with the exception of Luna, but these coins I think are pretty easy, guarantee at least double your money back at the very minimum. Just hold on to these coins for at least 3 months if this video helped. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.